Hi guys, Scotty here with Hawkfire Saws again. Got another thing I want to show you on these little 2511s. I had mentioned in my posting of these that I had a kit for $50. We could convert these to 1/4-inch pitch chain. So I wanted to show you what that kit really consists of. The primary component is that clutch drum. Of course you can get an OEM Echo, but I've had pretty good luck with these Archers. They're a lot less expensive, 8-tooth 1/4 pitch, and they even include a new bearing. The second part is a bar, and I've tried several different kinds, and there's not a lot of differences between them. And then, of course, the 1/4-inch chain. I've had real good luck with the Husqvarna chain, so that's what I would include with it. Normally the clutch drum would be 20, the bar would be 24, and the chain would be 12, but all together and installed, I'll do that for $50. But I want to go back to the bar here for a second, because there have been several companies try to bring these 1/4-inch bars in, and they've all had the same problem, and that is that they're just a little too thick. So if you're in a large cut, 10, 12-inch log, especially if it's a softer wood that's a little fuzzy in the cut, the bars will tend to bind up a little bit because they're just a little bit thick compared to the kerf that the chain makes. I mean, it's narrower, but not much. These bars are about 128 thousandths wide, and these are all patterned after the steel bars, and those are only 120 thousandths wide. So it is a fair difference. Now, of course, the premium upgrade would be a steel bar, and what I can do there is just drill the 2 holes that line up for the chain adjuster. That way you can still use a standard chain. I think the steel bars are about 40 by themselves, and I don't have a way to get those wholesale. So if it would be something you'd want, I can just pick up the bar at our local steel dealer and drill the holes for $5, and instead of being a $20 bar, it's a $45 bar. Would make the kit a little bit more expensive, but the steel bars are pretty good, and I guess I would have to say at this point still worth it. Hopefully somebody will come out with a bar that's a little thinner that can work on these, and we'll all get a better deal. But that's what I have right now. Thanks.